In this quick video, we are going to fix the issue with any HomePod Mini that will not stop playing music. So that can happen. So in order to do it, first thing, of course, you can do the verbal command, which is, and you might have to shout if for whatever reason it's not working. Just say, Siri, stop. That's all you have to do. All right. If that doesn't work, as you know, on the very top, you could just tap it once, and that will stop the music. Just tap it once, and then of course, if you tap it twice, that will play, and then 3 times go to the next song. So just tap it once and see if that will work. A lot of times you'll see that works. Next thing is make sure in your home app, your HomePod app on your iPhone or your iPad, make sure that the personal requests are turned off. So go into the settings and turn off personal requests off. There's someone might be controlling it and playing tricks on you from another room or something. So just be aware of that. Another thing you could do is just simply unplug it temporarily or for however long you want to, or just unplug it and plug it back in, and that'll immediately turn the music off. All right, so that should fix it. If there's a glitch with it where it keeps doing it, you might need to do a reset. So you can go into the HomePod app on your iPhone, and then go to reset on it, or you can click restore and try that. Or you can just unplug it from the wall for 10 seconds, plug it back in, and this will do a full factory restore on it, and just hold down the center for 10 seconds. Don't let go, it'll turn red and blue, and then it'll like beep 3 times and then make a trumpet noise, and then you'll have to rediscover it in your iPhone. But that's another thing that you can do to make the music stop. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.